Hi everyone, my name is Alex. Today I'm going to be trying the Marin lip treatment. This product retails for $20. I am so excited to try this. I've seen it all over social media. So many people have loved this product that I trust and that I follow. And so going into this, I'm really excited because they use a new, different style technology which utilizes a glycoprotein, which is the same one that helps lobsters regenerate their limbs, which is really cool. I love seeing new integrations and new technology introduced into skincare, and I don't know, it's really cool to see and to follow people who formulate skincare and people who understand this, and different realms start to enter into the space. And that's what I feel like this is. Very excited to try it. It's new technology for me. Never tried anything like this. They have created fragranced and fragrance-free formulas of this lip balm. I personally got the Blueberry French Toast fragrance because that's the one that everybody's been talking about, and I can personally use fragrance in my lip care, but they always have that unscented option if you need that. The big things I'm going to be looking for with it include how long lasting is it, how nourishing is it, do I feel like I can use it both during the day and also at night, and I'm also interested to see if I notice any long-term benefits with it, meaning I may have to reapply it less over time. They're kind of advertising this as a regenerative lip balm, and so I'm hoping I will see those style of benefits with it. As for anything else, I'll be continuing to do check-ins, so I will see you all in the next check-in. I'm here to give you all a quick check-in on this product. If there's one lip product I've seen all over my feed, it is this one. This is such a great lip treatment from what I can tell so far. I used it one time last night. I got the Blueberry French Toast fragrance, such a beautiful, sweet, like nothing like it. It encapsulates everything that Blueberry French Toast is, but it was just a little bit much. I'm dealing with a little bit of a cough. I'm recovering from being sick. It was a little bit much for me with that. I'm gonna need to use it whenever I'm not dealing with all of this overnight to see if it kind of calms down, because it is a little bit intense with the fragrance, but overall, very nice lip product. And I think they have unscented versions of this, so that may be what I invest in next time. The fragrance is beautiful, don't get me wrong. It's just when I smell that for so long, it kind of just gets old with me. They have this beautiful, really nice soft touch silicone applicator, very reminiscent of many other lip balms that you've seen on the market. I'm gonna put just a little bit on my wrist, but where it really shows is on my lips. This is a little bit more of a glossy finish. I would say more neutral to glossy. Definitely shows up on the lips, and today's my first time applying it during the daytime, so we'll see how it wears throughout then. But I must say, from a lip balm perspective, I do like it as an overnight lip sleeping mask. That is my favorite because I woke up, this product wasn't still like heavy on the lips, but my lips still felt nourished. Additionally, this is one of the most lightweight lip treatments that I've tried that provides no sticky finish. You can see there, it's almost like it becomes part of your lips, like a hydrated outer layer of your lips is kind of the best way I can describe it, because it is just so nourishing, so hydrating. I mean, this does everything that people have claimed the Summer Fridays does. I wasn't personally the biggest fan of that product, but this, I mean, this and the topicals are right up there, neck and neck, for more glossy but more long-lasting, nourishing lip balms. This one I'm gonna have to use a little bit longer. That's about as crazy as the finish gets. It's not too bad, luckily, and just smells nice. It's a lot better when it's first going on. I do get sick of it the more that I have it on my lips, but it is not bad. It's definitely a pleasant fragrance, and if you enjoy French toast, blueberry, kind of maple, syrupy, that is what it smells like. I think just too much of that, and too much of any fragrance is too much for me. But anyway, really enjoying it so far. It works really well overnight. I'm excited to see how it performs during the day. I'm also excited to see if I notice any long-term benefits where I would have to apply it less or anything else with this product. So far though, I'm already really impressed. I'm going to continue using it and I'll check in again. I'm back to give you all my final thoughts on this lip balm. I completely understand the hype and I can safely say it is justified. This product has a way of melting into the lips while still providing such a high level of nourishment in a way that I haven't seen in any other lip balm. My only complaint with this product is just the fragrance. I feel like the fragrance is very heavy. It does get a little bit old over time, and I honestly think this is just personal preference. This is not anything wrong with the formulation, anything wrong with the brand or the fragrance. It's just a little sweet for me because I got blueberry French toast, so bound to happen. But either way, they offer an unscented version of this, which is what I'm going to be repurchasing next. I love the innovation that they use with this technology. I feel like it is such a great lip balm, and it takes a lot for a lip balm to stand out on the market. I mean, this brand is known for using this technology in various different ways. I love seeing different worlds collide, like marine biologist and skincare. I've not tried anything else from them, but I really want to after trying out this lip balm. It has a way of restoring the lips, especially when they are really dry, and being long lasting even after fully absorbing into the lips, which is beyond impressive. It is just such a great technology to a lip balm. Some of my favorites can't even compare to this because the long-lasting ability that it has, the way that it does not provide too heavy of a glossy finish, but still does provide nourishment, is my favorite style of product. Not a sticky finish, not a heavy finish, but it's something as it goes on my lips, I notice it just to continue nourishing, and after it fully absorbs, it doesn't keep any of the glossiness, doesn't keep any of the finish really, but you still feel this product, and it's like my lips were becoming less dry the more I would continue using it consistently. This was also perfectly balanced as being a lightweight daytime lip balm and also an overnight lip sleeping mask. Actually, lip sleeping mask was my favorite way to use this product because it is so nourishing. It just left my lips feeling so replenished, and I woke up without dry lips, which is a huge plus with a lip balm. I usually rely on overnight lip sleeping mask, and I feel like this lip balm does so well at restoring the lips and providing nourishment to really dry lips. I will say this paired really well with a lip exfoliator because it doesn't really do much for dry or dead skin cells. It's just a nourishing lip balm. I personally use the Dr. Idris Lip Barrier Exfoliating Treatment with this product paired so well. It is just like the chemical exfoliant and then nourishing it with a really heavy lip balm like this. And when I say heavy, I mean heavy duty. It is not a heavy finish to a lip balm. Doesn't feel heavy at all. It just lasts on the lips forever and is 100% worth the hype. This is definitely one of the products that I feel like was correctly given hype, and it is something that I cannot wait to see what flavors they release. I can't wait to see what is next from this brand. I can't wait to try out the rest of their products as well. Such a great first impression, and I cannot recommend this lip balm enough. It's easily become one of my favorites and uses technology that I feel like makes it stand out from a lot of other lip balms, which is something we're really needing in the lip balm market. I mean, it feels like products keep getting released. They feel the same, they last the same. There's just so many duplicate products, and I feel like this one really stands in a lane of its own. Obviously, I still love my other hydrating lip balms. It's possible to love multiple products. This is just another one added to that option, and honestly, one of my favorites to use overnight. That's personally how I prefer to use it. I do like using it during the day as well, but I noticed I was applying it less and less the more I continued using it. So I would 100% recommend trying it. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week, and I will see you all in the next review.